Now, Dr. Galvez, you spoke briefly, about like the research done at Duke, but can you also talk about, other universities that you guys are doing it in, such as Harvard, Loma
Yeah,
Linda?
yeah. So Loma Linda University is doing the work on validating the work that we've done on pigs, on cholesterol as well as inflammation and its effect on metabolic syndrome. So we're finished with that. In fact, we're trying to analyze the data as we speak. And we're writing, in fact, I need to write the materials and methods for that right now. So we're starting that. And then the experiments being done at Harvard is actually an extension of the Duke University study on the human clinical trials on ALS. Because what we've done is that, well, before I agreed to do the human clinical trials with Duke, I asked Dr. Bedlack, who is the principal investigator, that we should also look into epigenetic biomarkers, not just the effect of lunasin on the ALS patients, because then it will give us an idea why lunasin is effective, and is it possible to have epigenetic biomarkers? So instead of, having these expensive ways of testing whether you're getting better or not, just do a blood test and look at epigenetic biomarkers to see whether you're actually getting benefit from taking lunasin. So I told him that, and so what he did was he went to a colleague of his up in Harvard Medical School and asked her if she could do that work, and so she's now part of the group because initially, she was supposed to be just doing looking at histone acetylation levels in the blood, which is the epigenetic biomarker. But then, when she found out about lunasin and what it does, she got excited about it. And when she wrote the experimental part of her of the clinical trial, she included, genome-wide screening of gene expression, and so she made it expanded it more so that we can really look at the association between the lunasin's mechanism of action, which is the epigenetic mechanism of action, epigenetic biomarkers, and the results on the effect of lunasin on ALS.